everybody. It's Rainy Day Awareness Day, the 17th of February 2021. I'm Aulia Salsabila, as the news anchor, will deliver you the latest information today on Muhammadiyah breaking news. The COVID-19 pandemic has brought plenty of change to airport, from sanitizing stations to mandatory mask wearing. But San Francisco International Airport, or SFO, has decided that instead of adding something, I'll take something away, specifically noise. The new Quad Airport aims to reduce noise throughout SFO by 40%. Step 1 is making announcement about specific flights boarding or being delayed only at the arrival gate instead of the entire terminal. An airport director said that the noise reduction program had been in the works before the pandemic. However, the timing coincides with the September 1 reopening of SFO's International Terminal, which had been closed since April 1. Overall, reps for the airport say that more than 90 minutes of unnecessary announcements have been eliminated each day. Next on the list is reducing noise made by automated features in the airport, like escalators and moving walkways. In addition to reducing noise pollution, the airport has made moves to reduce the more common forms of pollution. Airport officials announced their intention to make SFO the world's first zero-waste airport by 2021 and ban the sale of single-use plastic bottles anywhere in the body. While the quiet police policy is new for SFO, the concept won't be unfamiliar to frequent travelers. That's all for now, the update information this morning. See you on breaking news this afternoon. Don't forget to obey the rules by applying, use masks, wash hands, and keep social distance. We obey karena go away. Thanks and goodbye.